Manufacturing transformation. Modern manufacturing systems need to meet demand for high efficiency, high quality, and high speed. The manufacturing industry now stands at the crossroads of a major digital transformation. Mitsubishi Electric's next-generation integrated controller, MELSEC MX controller. Excellent scalability and a wide variety of functions on a single platform. The high-performance multi-core CPU provides high-speed distributed processing and reduced cycle time. The MELSEC MX controller integrates sequence control, motion control, and network control into a single device. The controller also supports a wide variety of networks, including field device control and major IT system networks. With the MELSEC MX controller, it is possible to perform high-speed synchronized control for up to 256 axes. With support for different processing cycles, it can perform high-performance control of high-speed axes operating at different speeds. Communication loads can also be leveled for maximum performance in large systems, allowing for stable equipment operation and improved productivity. Mitsubishi Electric's digital manufacturing combines real and digital technologies to optimize production lines and analyze data from the shop floor. Digital twinning helps promote front-loading of development by carrying out simulations equivalent to actual equipment, even before system construction. All CPU and motion device data and equipment video are recorded, allowing for reproduction of facility conditions for analysis and reduced downtime when determining the cause of the problems. Communication encryption and user authentication functions ensure the controller can be used safely anywhere around the world. Choose from 9 different MXR and MXF models to suit your control application. MELSEC MX controller, the key to manufacturing transformation.